You probably think that when you see a black cat, you're just looking at an ordinary cat. However, these dark-coated felines are far more special than you might imagine. In addition to being surrounded by numerous myths and superstitions, black cats possess unique characteristics and a rich cultural history. Today, I'm going to present 9 surprising facts that will change the way you see these fascinating felines. I'm sure that after discovering all of this, you'll admire black cats even more. So let's begin. Number 1. There are 22 breeds where black cats can appear. While black cats are widely known, what many people don't realize is that they don't belong to a specific breed. In fact, the black color can appear in many different cat breeds. It is estimated that there are 22 recognized breeds worldwide that can have black-coated cats. Some of the most common breeds that can have black cats include the Persian, Munchkin, Sphynx, British Shorthair, and Scottish Fold. But what determines the black coat in these cats? This is linked to genetics. Black cats have a specific gene responsible for their color. It is a dominant gene, meaning that if one parent in a litter is black, the chances of black kittens being born are very high. The black color results from a high concentration of melanin, the pigment responsible for giving color to the skin and fur of animals. This high concentration of melanin also affects other characteristics, such as eye color, which we will discuss later. Number 2. There is only one breed of cats where all are black. Although various breeds can have black cats, only one breed is recognized for always having black cats: the Bombay cat. The Bombay cat was intentionally bred in 1950 in the United States from crossing Burmese cats and American Shorthairs. The goal was to develop a cat that had the appearance of a small panther with a shiny black coat and large, intense colored eyes. Bombay cats not only stand out for their beauty, but also for their behavior. They are known to be extremely affectionate and form strong bonds with their owners. Many people who adopt Bombay cats say these cats behave similarly to dogs, following their owners around the house and constantly seeking attention. Additionally, they are very intelligent and sociable, making them great companions for families. Number 3. They can change color. Did you know that black cats can change color? That's right. Although their fur is predominantly black, in certain circumstances, it can shift in shade. This happens, for example, when cats are exposed to the sun for long periods. Ultraviolet rays affect the melanin in the cat's fur, causing the coat to take on a brown or reddish tint. Another factor that can cause a change in fur color is diet. The lack of an amino acid called tyrosine, which is essential for melanin production, can cause a black cat's coat to fade and become lighter. If your black cat's coat is turning brown, it could be a sign they need a more balanced diet. Fortunately, this issue can be corrected by including protein-rich foods in the cat's diet. Number 4. They generally have yellow or green eyes. One striking feature of black cats is their eye color. Most of these cats have yellow or green eyes, which is due to the high concentration of melanin in their bodies. The same melanin that gives their coat its black color also influences the pigmentation of their eyes, resulting in vibrant and impressive tones. It's very common for black cats to have deep yellow, almost golden, or intense green eyes. This contrast between the black coat and the bright eyes is one of the reasons black cats are so admired. However, there are also black cats with blue eyes, though this is rarer. This typically occurs in cats with partial albinism, a genetic condition that causes white patches in the fur and can also influence eye color. Number 5. They are more resistant to diseases. Another interesting fact about black cats is that they may be more resistant to certain diseases. Research conducted by scientists at the National Cancer Institute in the United States suggests that the genes responsible for the black coat in these cats are linked to resistance to some diseases, including viral infections like feline AIDS. This resistance is related to genetic mutations that black cats carry. While research is still ongoing to fully understand this connection, the hypothesis is that these mutations provide additional protection against certain illnesses. This means that black cats might be more resistant to infections than cats of other colors, making them even more special. If you're enjoying the video and would like to help grow the channel, just give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Not only does this help me, but it also ensures you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Number 6. The black color is caused by a dominant gene. As mentioned earlier, the black color in cats results from a dominant gene. This means that when a black cat mates with another of a different color, the chances of the kittens being born black are very high. If both parents carry the dominant gene for black fur, the probability that all the kittens will be black increases even more. This dominant gene is responsible for the production of eumelanin, the pigment that gives black, brown, or gray color to the cat's fur. The predominance of eumelanin in black cats gives them their uniform and dark appearance, often with an intense sheen. Thanks to this gene, black cats have a striking presence and are easily recognizable. Number 7. The richest cat in history was black. This cat was named Blackie, and he became the world's wealthiest feline after his owner, a British millionaire, left him an inheritance of $12,500,000. This happened in 1988, when Blackie inherited this fortune as part of his owner's will. Although Blackie received this fortune, part of the money was directed to animal protection charities, ensuring that other cats could benefit as well. Blackie not only went down in history as the richest cat in the world, but also as one of the most generous, as his legacy helped improve the lives of many other animals. Number 8. They are not used at Halloween. There is a popular myth that black cats are used in Halloween rituals, but this is not true. Although the association of black cats with witches and superstitions has historical roots, especially in medieval Europe, the idea that they are sacrificed or used in dark rituals during Halloween is a myth that has been debunked by various studies and research. In 2007, National Geographic conducted an investigation to verify if there were indeed cases of black cats being used in occult practices during Halloween, and the conclusion was that there was no evidence of this. Today, black cats are seen as adorable and loving companions, just like any other cat, and are not associated with dark rituals or superstitions. Number 9. They are wonderful pets. Despite the myths and superstitions surrounding black cats, they make excellent companions. They are affectionate, loyal, and like any other cat, have unique personalities. Unfortunately, due to superstition, many black cats end up being overlooked in adoption shelters. This means that by adopting a black cat, you are giving an animal a chance to find a loving home, which for them can be harder than for cats of other colors. Additionally, black cats are incredibly beautiful. Their dark, shiny fur combined with vibrant eyes makes them aesthetically stunning animals. And if you adopt one, you'll have a loving and loyal companion that will bring joy to your life for many years. So next time you see a black cat, remember all these fascinating facts and the beauty and mystery they carry. And if you're thinking of adopting a cat, why not consider one of these wonderful felines? They certainly have a lot of love to offer and deserve a home just like any other animal. Now that we've uncovered some fascinating facts about black cats, let's shift our focus to all cats and their communication. Ever wondered what your cat is really trying to tell you? In the video on the screen now, I talk about common signs cats use to communicate and the important messages behind their behavior, signals you should never ignore. Click on the screen to discover what your cat might be trying to tell you, and join me as we explore the incredible world of feline communication.